So I'll share the link. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, Mataji.
So you're all ready for the quiz.
Have a quiz link.
Yes, Mataji.
What was the story which we saw last time? You all remember the story?
Family of the Gita.
Yes, family for Gita. So based on that story only, today's quiz. Yes, you got the link?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. So you can click and join. Yes, quickly you can join. Everybody has joined?
No, Mataji, I
Two
am
more.
joining.
Yes, yes. You got the link? You're able to click it?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Two more kids are ready to join. Pratyusha has joined. Gavya, Yashika, Samiksha, Riyansh, Manik Reddy, Nandita, Gurusai. Who has not joined?
Mataji
Janita,
Sanidhya.
Sanidhya, you have joined now?
No,
Sanidhya is yet to
Mataji, I am
join.
joining.
Yes, yes. Yes, Sanidhya, we are waiting for you. You have joined? Yes, good. So we'll start. Here we go. Hari Bol. Kids, you can switch on your videos so that I can see you, how you are doing. Pratyusha, Gavya, Yashika. You can switch on your videos. You all remember the story? You're able to answer? Hare Krishna. Yes, we have completed 50% of the quiz. So Riyansh is reading, followed by Samiksha, Sanidhya, Janita, and Nandita. If you had carefully listened the story, you would be able to answer easily. Yes. Samiksha is leading, followed by Riyansh, Yashika, Sanidhya, and Janita. So this question has more correct answers. You have to tick all the correct choices. There is no one answer. There can be more than two also. Yes. Just two more questions to go. Yes, we are coming to the end of the quiz. This is the last question. Yes, Hari Bol. So you have completed the quiz. So who is leading? Samiksha is leading, followed by Riyansh, Manik Reddy, Ashika, Guru Sai. Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
Mataji, but in my phone it is showing I am first. So
Okay, okay. 2 or 3 kids may have the same score also. Okay.
Mataji, I was a little bit late today.
Hare Krishna. Yes.
I didn't do the test.
You couldn't do. Oh, you are a little bit late. Okay. Shall I share the link again? You can attend it.
Yes.
Yes, I have shared the link.
Every time Samikshane first చూపిస్తుంది.
Hare Krishna. Saisha, you can attend the quiz. I have given the link again. Yes.
I'll do it as
Okay.
home.
Yes, you can do it later. Hari Bol. So we'll enter the session again. We'll continue with our class.
Mataji,
Yes.
Mataji, I always see that if I am first in my my phone shows I am
You're-
first.
Okay, okay. The leaderboard, it is showing different. It takes, see, there are so many criteria to determine which name comes first. That is not any issue. Don't worry. So everybody is doing good. Based on the mark, I'll announce the results. So, okay, if you have got the high marks, you'll get it first. Okay. It doesn't matter. You have to come first. It is only matters how you participate in it. Okay. Riyansh, is it okay? Hare Krishna. So we'll go into the session. Shall we see the BG sloka? Anyone wants to recite?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
So I'll share the link in the chat box. Anybody knows it without seeing?
Mataji, I.
You know.
Mataji, I.
Very good, very good. Nice. Okay, you can recite one by one. First, we'll start with Nandi.
I cannot get the link.
You want to see? No, I think Nandita knows it even without seeing. Is it so, Nandita?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, very good. You can recite.
Dhritarashtra uvacha dharmakshetre kurukshetre samavetaयुत्सवः mamka pandavashaiva kim kuravata sanjaya. Hare Krishna.
Hari Bol. Nice, very nice. Nicely recited. Nicely recited.
Thank you, Mataji.
Hari Bol. Yes, next. Sanidhya, you can recite next.
Okay, Mataji. Dhritarashtra uvacha dharmakshetre kurukshetre samavetaयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किम कुर्वत संजय.
Hari Bol. Very good, very good. Nice. I'm happy to hear you kids singing. Yes, next, Riyansh, you can switch on your video and then you can recite. Riyansh? Hare Krishna.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Dharmakshetre kurukshetre samavetaयुत्सवः mamaka pandavashaiva kima kurvata sanjaya.
Hari Bol. We are not able to see you, Riyansh. Hare Krishna. Yes, next. Nandita has recited. Sanidhya recited. Who wants to recite next?
Can you see me now?
Yes, yes. Now we are able to see you. Hari Bol.
Mataji, I can recite.
Yes, yes. Yes, Yashika.
Dhritarashtra vacha dharam chetri kurukshetri samavetaयुत्सवः मामका पाण्डवाश्चैव किम अकुर्वते संजय.
Sanjaya. Kim akurvata
मतलब
Sanjaya.
है-
Yes, yes.
इसका मतलब है इस श्लोक में धृतराष्ट्र संजय को बोलते हैं, हे संजय, इस कुरुक्षेत्र के मैदान में मेरे और पांडव के पुत्र ने क्या क्या किया. हरे कृष्णा.
Hari Bol. Very nice, very nice. See, Yashika has recited along with the translation. This is how you have to read the slokas. You have to read the sloka, understand the meaning, and then you have to recite. Okay. So it is last word is Sanjaya. Yashika, the last word is Sanjaya. Okay. Sanjaya is the assistant of Dhritarashtra.
ओके माताजी.
Hari Bol. Hare Krishna. Yes, nice. Yes, anybody else wants to recite? Hare Krishna. Nandita, Yashika, Gavya, you want to recite?
नो माताजी.
You didn't attend last class, no?
यस.
You attended? Yes, okay. You can practice it, okay? You have interest in learning the slokas, no? You can practice. You can send me the audio, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Pratyusha, you want to recite?
No,
No, you are not prepared. Saisha?
not
Hare
prepared
Krishna,
yet. I
not
can't get
prepared
the
it.
words.
Okay, you can just recite and then send me the audio. Okay, no issues. Okay, so we'll go into the session. So it is story time. We shall see the story. Are you all ready for the story?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. So today's story heading is Greed Brings Misery. So this is the title of the story. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes,
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. So what is
Yes,
the title?
Mataji.
What is the title?
Yes, Mataji. Brings misery.
Greed Brings Misery.
Misery. Brings misery.
Misery. Oh, you all know what is meant by greed?
Yes, Mataji.
What is greed?
Yes, and you want more of it.
Yes, when you want more and more, even if you have anything, if you have sufficiently also, you learn for having more and more and more. So that is called greed. So that will lead to misery. That is what this story is about. So let
Lalach.
us lalach, exactly. In Hindi it is called lalach. Hare Krishna. Nice. Okay, so we'll go into the story. Once upon a time, there was a golden swan. See, you can see the swan in the pond. There was a golden swan. It is not an ordinary swan, it is a golden swan. This swan was very special. He remembered everything of his previous life. Hence, he had come to the pond near his village. See, this was not an ordinary swan. This swan, he remembers whatever happened in his previous life. So, he came to live in a pond near his village. So, previously, he lived in a village. So, he remembered it and he came to the pond nearby the village. One day, a lady happened to be his wife in the previous birth, came to the pond to fetch water. So, this swan, previously, it was a man in that village, and a lady has come to the pond, and this lady was wife of the swan in the previous birth. So, this swan remembers it. She was astonished to see this swan speak. So, this swan, it is a special swan. It knows all its previous birth. And when he saw the lady, it began to speak. What did the swan say? It says, I was your husband in previous life, and because of my karma, I have been reincarnated as a golden swan. I know that you are living in poverty. Hence, I have come specially to help you and my child. So, this swan is also having a child. This he is a wife in previous birth, and they have a child. That also the swan remembers. So every day I will give one golden feather from my body. You can sell this in the market and thus you can buy your daily requirements. So the swan says, see, hey woman, you have been my wife in the previous birth, and we also have a child, and I know that you are living in poverty. They don't have money. They are not rich, so they are suffering. So this swan says, since he is a husband in previous birth, it takes pity on the woman and it says, I will give you golden feather daily. I will give you one golden feather daily. You can take it to the market and you can sell it. And see, if a golden feather means it will fetch so much of money, no? So you can sell it and buy your daily requirements. So daily, whatever you want, you can buy. But he says, I will give you one golden feather from my body daily. So now the woman is very happy. She became very happy. Oh, this is very precious. We will no longer live in a poor life. See, she is very poor. She doesn't have anything to wear, no bangles, no necklace, nothing. So she takes the golden feather. One feather she takes, it is gold. So she feels, okay, now I need not be poor again in my life. I can live happily. So he takes the swan home. As the time passed, so see, this lady is with this child, and now there are servants also. Previously, she was very poor. Now, see, one servant is cleaning the house, one servant is maintaining the flower pots. So he is keeping. So he has become very rich. As the time passed, she became very rich. She had a big house and had many workers to work for her. She was enjoying life. See how rich she has become. They are servants to work for her and she is happily living with the child. What if, so now what happens? The lady thinks, starts thinking in a different way. What she thinks, what if the swan disappears? Then I may be no longer getting the golden feather. Better on some excuse, I keep him under custody with me. The swan is free. It is living in the pond. So she takes one feather daily from the swan. But now the lady thinks, what if she runs away? What if the swan goes away? Then I will not get the golden feather. So she thinks I will keep him under my custody. She wants to keep the swan in her custody. So it goes to the pond. My dear husband, why don't you come and stay with us so that I can serve you better? See, she's telling a lie. What she is telling? She is telling, I can serve you better, so come with me. For that only she is calling. Is it true? Why she is calling the swan home? Hare Krishna. Kids, are you able to follow?
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji.
Why she wants the swan?
For her greedy.
Yes, she thinks that the swan will fly away, so she won't get the feather. So she wants to keep it with her. But what she says, you come with me, I can serve you nicely. That is not what she is thinking, but she says lie. You come, I will serve you. So saying that, she takes the swan. She made arrangements on the backyard for the swan to save. See, she is putting a compound like thing. She is putting and closing it, a fence. She is putting a fence and so that she can keep a watch on him and he may not escape. So she is not believing this swan. She is keeping it in a closed area and she is putting some food also. But she wants to keep it with her itself. Now the Brahmin's wife became more greedy. So now first one feather she took. Now she is becoming more greedy. When I pluck one feather out of the swan's body, another grows up. What if I pluck many feathers at a time? See, the swan is not golden altogether. Only one feather is golden. So she is plucking that feather. When she plucks that feather, another feather grows. So what she thinks, more will grow. I will thus become rich faster. She thinks I can pluck all the feathers so that more feathers will grow. Okay, like that she is thinking. She has become more greedy now. So she goes to the swan. My dear husband, I was thinking to pluck all the feathers from your body at once because I do not want to hurt you again and again. Is it true what she is saying?
No,
Hare Krishna?
Mataji.
No. So what she is saying? She is saying, Sanidhya, you are playing with your, you are hearing the story? Hare Krishna, Hare Bol. Yes. So the lady thinks that, the lady says to the husband that I don't want to hurt you again and again. So I will pluck all the flowers at the same time. Is it right? What she says? Hare Krishna.
No, Mataji.
No, is not. She's very greedy. No, yes, she is very greedy. So she wants everything at the same time. But she says, I don't want to hurt you again and again. So I will pluck all the flowers. See, she started plucking. Before the swan could say anything, the wife immediately removed all the feathers. She quickly, the swan was trying to say something, but the lady didn't stop there. She quickly pulled out all the feathers. What happened? Oh, there are no longer golden feathers, but all were only ordinary feathers. It was not golden at all. So the swan says, I was about to tell you that I can give only one golden feather at a time, but you did not allow me to do so. So she didn't get even one golden feather. The swan was trying to tell. The swan was trying to tell that I can give only one golden feather at a time, but you did not allow me to tell you. Before that, you have plucked all my feathers. So did the lady get anything?
No.
No, not even one feather was golden. Everything was ordinary feathers. So she was upset.
Yes, Mataji.
Get out from here. Now she is very angry. She says, get out from here. I don't want to see your face. See now, though she is her husband, she said, I will serve you. Why did she tell she will serve? Because he was giving the golden feathers. But now he sees that she sees that he is of no use. So she is shouting at him, get out from here. I don't want to see your face. The swan returned to his lake. So the swan also was very sad and he returned to the lake. He was not able to help the lady. The swan had good intention to help the lady, but the lady was very greedy and she pulled out all the feathers. So the swan was totally upset and it returned to his lake again. After some days, she spent all her wealth and became poor again. See, now nobody is there to clean. The baby is crying and she is also very sad. She became poor. So, what is the moral of the story? Greed is the source of all misery. Now she is in misery. The more we have, more we want. Greed makes a person crazy. So, what is the moral of the story?
हमें कभी भी लालच नहीं करना चाहिए.
Exactly. हमें कभी भी लालच नहीं करना चाहिए.
लालच is very bad.
Yes, it's very bad. Greed is very bad. You will suffer. So, whatever you have, you should feel thankful to Krishna. So, Krishna has given you so many things. No, you should be grateful for it. You should not ask for more and more. See, your daddy buys you one pen or pencil. You ask for another pencil. I need another. I need this. You keep asking. No, you kids, you ask or you don't ask. You keep it safe or you ask for more. You don't ask. Very good. Nandita says she won't ask. Yes.
Yes, Mataji.
So you have to keep. Yes. Sanidhi also says he is also a good boy. All kids who attend the classes are very good kids. So you will keep whatever your parents are buying and whatever Krishna has given you, you should be happy with it. You should not ask for more and more. Okay. So that is the moral of the story.
Yes,
So you can all go through the story again. I will share in the group. So based on this, next week quiz will be prepared. Okay.
Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. So you all like the story?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Yes, Mataji.
So what
Yes,
is our
Mataji.
next? What is next?
Rhymes.
It was a short story. You want a rhymes? Okay. So everybody sang that rhyme what we saw last week. Sanidhya has sung it. Yashika Todi has sung it. Yes,
Ma'am,
anybody else?
Mataji,
Maulishri.
I also.
Nandita, you sang? You have sent me the audio?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Nandita.
Today only.
Today only. I think I have not seen it yet. Okay.
Mataji.
Okay. So Sanidhya, Nandita. Other kids, you can also sing it. Okay. You like the rhymes?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Mataji,
Saisha? Yes.
send the rhymes.
Yes. Saisha, you have also not sung the rhymes. No, you saw the rhymes? That is just 2 lines only. What was the rhymes? Anybody could sing it now? Just 2 lines. Yes, Nand.
Hare Krishna, Radhe Krishna, Hare Krishna wants to kill you, no one can save you. Krishna wants to kill you, no one can save you. Krishna wants to save you, no one can kill you. Krishna wants to save you, no one can kill you. Hare Krishna, Radhe Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Yes, Hari Bol. Nicely sung. Gavya, you want to recite? Yes, Gavya. Yes,
Mataji,
Gavya.
can I recite?
Yes, Gavya.
Ma'am, no Pratyusha.
1 minute. Yes, Gavya, you present.
Krishna Rakhe Krishna Mare Krishna Rakhe Krishna Mare Krishna wants to kill you, no one can save you. Krishna wants can save you, no one can save you. Krishna wants can save you, no one can save you. Krishna wants can save you, no one can save you. Hare Krishna Rakhe Krishna Mare
Hare Krishna.
Hare Rama, Rama
Can I do?
Rama.
Yes, Hari Bol. Nice, nicely
Can I?
recited. Nicely. Yes, Pratyusha. Pratyusha, you can start on your video. We are not able to see you.
Mataji, 1 minute.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Anybody?
Mataji,
Yes, yes.
Mare Krishna, Rakhe Krishna, Mare Krishna. Krishna wants to kill you, no one can save you. Krishna wants to kill you, no one can save you. Krishna wants to save you, no one can kill you. Krishna wants to save you, no one can kill you. Rakhe Krishna, Mare Krishna.
Marike. It is Rake Krishna Marike.
Okay.
Marike. Yes. yes.
Krishna, Rakhe Krishna.
Rake
Hare
K.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hari Bol. Hare Krishna.
Mataji, can I recite?
Yes. Yes, yes. With this, we'll go to the next. Yes, you can recite. Nandita, you can recite.
Okay, Mataji. Hare Krishna, Rakhe Krishna, Mere ke. Krishna wants to kill you, no one can save you. Krishna wants to save you, no one can kill you. Mare Krishna, Rakhe Krishna, Mere ke. Krishna wants to kill you, no one can save you. Krishna wants to save you, no one can kill you. Mare Krishna, Rakhe Krishna, Mere ke. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hari Bol.
Thank you,
Yes.
Mataji.
Nice. Okay. So, shall we see a new rhyme today or next week we'll see?
Yes, Mataji.
Next Mataji will see a rhyme.
We'll see a new rhyme. So, you're all interested?
Yes,
Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Yes.
Mataji, can we see a short film?
Yes, yes. After the rhyme, we'll see a short film. Yes. Hare Krishna. Yes, quickly we'll see a new rhyme on Talavan. You all remember the story of Talavan?
Yes, Mataji.
Talavan demon, in what form he came?
Yes, Mataji.
In what form the demon came? Talavan, in the Talavan forest? Dhenukashura. What form the demon came?
Donkey.
Donkey. Donkey. Hare Krishna. Yes, I'll share your screen. Hare Krishna. Yes, are you able to see the screen? Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. You're able to see the screen?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. So we'll first see the audio and then we'll sing. Okay. Hare Krishna. Here it is.
Nanika chur inka nale unde.
Balaram went to Talavan, and thereupon they came upon Dhenukasura. Lord Krishna and Balaram went to Talavan, and thereupon they came upon Dhenukasura. He kicked Lord Balaram, who grabbed him by the feet, and whirling him around, threw him high up in the trees. He kicked Lord Balaram, who grabbed him by the feet, and whirling him around, threw him high up in the trees.
Hare Krishna. Yes, anybody can sing it, see it?
It is bloody. Mataji's screen is bloody.
It's okay now? Is it clear
Yes,
now?
Mataji.
It is clear?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes,
Yes.
Mataji.
Yes. So we'll recite it again. Shall I play it again?
Yes.
one time so that you can know the tune. We can sing along also. You can unmute and sing along. See, it is Lord Krishna and Hare
Recite.
Krishna. Yes, you can sing along. You can unmute and recite along.
Start.
Mataji.
Lord Krishna and Balaram went to Talavan, and thereupon they came upon Dhenukasura. Lord Krishna and Balaram went to Talavan, thereupon they came upon Dhenukasura.
So you got this tune? Lord Krishna and Balaram went to Talavan, and thereupon they came upon Dhenukasura. Yes, you got the tune?
Mataji. Mataji.
Your screen is
Mataji. Mataji, my screen is blurry.
Still it is blurred.
Mataji's screen is blurry.
Now,
Yes, Mataji.
okay, Mataji.
Mataji, can I recite?
who is it? Riyansh, who wants to recite? Gavya?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay.
Riyansh.
1 minute. Let Gavya recite, then Riyansh. Okay. Shall I play it again? I'll play it again. We'll complete it and then you can recite. Okay.
Yes,
He
Mataji.
kicked Lord Balaram, who grabbed him by the feet, and whirling him around, threw him high up in the trees. He kicked Lord Balaram, who grabbed him by the feet, and whirling him around, threw him high up in the trees.
Yes. Gavya, you can recite now.
Yes, Mataji.
Try to
Lord
sing it.
and Balaram went to Talavan.
And thereupon they came up. Yes. I will. If you want, I can sing along with you. Hare Krishna. We are not able to hear you, Gavya.
Mataji, it is blurry. I can't see anything.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Lord
Krishna and Balaram went to Talavan, and thereupon they came upon Dhenukasura.
He kicked him, Lord Balaram,
Who grabbed him by the feet
them
and whirling him around,
and whirling him around them. Him
threw him high up in the trees. You're able to see? Yes, Saisha, you can. Gavya, you have tried well. Yes, Saisha.
And thereupon they came upon Dhenukasura. He kicked Lord Balaram, who grabbed him by the feet and whirling him around, threw him high up in the trees.
Yes, nice. Haribol. Yes,
Mataji.
yes, Nandita, you can try.
Okay, Mataji. Lord Krishna and Balaram went to Talavan, and thereupon they came on Dhenukasura. Lord Krishna and Balaram went to Talavan, and thereupon they came upon Dhenukasura. He kicked Lord Balaram, who grabbed him by the feet, and reeling him around, threw him high up in the trees. He kicked Lord Balaram, who grabbed him by the feet, and reeling him around, threw him high up in the trees.
Yes, Haribol. Nice, right? You can remember, no, the story? Dhenukasura, the donkey came. The donkey kicked Balaram. Balaram, he grabbed it by the feet and whirling him around. He just whirls him around and threw him high up in the trees. So the donkey went high up in the tree. Dhenukasura was hanging on the tree. You saw the movie, no? So that is the rhyme about. Yes, anybody wants to try again?
Mataji Sanidhya.
Sanidhya, yes. With this, we'll end the session. Yes, Sanidhya,
Lord
you can.
Krishna and Balaram went to Talavan and three upon Dhenukasura. Lord Krishna and Balaram went to Talavan and three upon it came upon Dhenukasura. It kicked Lord Balaram, who grabbed him by the feet and whirling him around, threw him high up in the trees.
Hari Bol. Yes, nicely sung. Okay, I think with this we'll end the session. And then we'll
Mataji,
go for. Yes, Riyansh, you want to recite? Okay.
Mataji, I want to sing.
Okay. Yes, Riyansh.
Lord
Good to see the
Krishna and Bala. Yes, Mataji.
Yes, try it.
Lord Krishna and Balaram went to Talavan, and thereupon they came upon Dhenukasura. He kicked Lord Balaram, who grabbed him by the feet and whirling him around, threw him high up in the trees.
Hari Bol. Yes, nice. Nicely recited.
Ma'am, I can decide.
Who's it?
Mataji's
Sanidhya. Samiksha. Yes, Samiksha, you can recite. You're able to see?
It is bloody.
Blurry. Is it okay now? You're able to see?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Lord Krishna and Balaram went to Talavan, and thereupon they came upon Dhenukasura. He touched Lord Balaram, who grabbed him by the feet and frightened him, was grabbed him high up in the trees.
Hari Bol. Nice. Nicely tried. Nicely tried. Okay. Yes, Guru Sai.
I want to go to toilet.
Okay, you can go. You can go. Yes. So we'll see a movie. Okay. With this, we'll end the session. You can all chant Hare Krishna once. I'll stop the recording. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Rama Rama, Hare
Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama,